you're looking for performance exhaust or headers, and Kooks is the name you're looking for. I'm here with George R. from Kooks, and you've got a lot of products on display.
Well, what we decided to do for the 2008 PRI show is bring out a lot of our newer products. We brought out the LSX, LS1 powered vehicles in a Fox body Mustang with the Anthony Jones K-member in their mounting system. We brought out our new same mounting system, the Anthony Jones big block Chevy in a Fox body. Big seller for us this year, beyond our expectations really. We brought our new stepped header for the SRT8 powered vehicles, the LX platforms such as the Charger, the 300C, and the Challenger. It's 1 7/8 step to 2 inch. When that car first came out, the tuning was holding a lot of the performance back. Now that the tuning is available, guys are building 426 cubic inch strokers, 440 cubic inch strokers. They need a bigger header to, handle the bigger cubic inches. So we developed the 1 7/8 step to 2 inch with our merge collector, 3-inch connection pipes available on catted and off-road. So you can do either one. Off-road being more for the race, catted being more for the street applications. A lot of the late model cars, such as the Camaro, the Firebird, the Nova, the Chevelle, guys are putting the LS1 base motors into those cars. So we designed a swap header for the LS1 in first gen F bodies and A bodies with a mounting motor plate and everything. When you receive the product at your door, it comes with the motor plate and the header, so it's ready to be assembled. The motor plate puts the motor in the correct position inside the engine compartment. The headers will just drop right on the car. It seems to be a great product. A lot of guys are doing that conversion because they can go to a junkyard, buy an LS1 out of 97 Corvette that's been wrecked, put in a 69 Camaro. Now you have the old school appearance of the vehicle with all modern technology inside the vehicle, so it works out to be great as far as that application. We brought our 2-inch C5 and C6 header. We brought that out with the 3-inch X pipe. Again, these guys are building 427, 440 cubic inch LS1 motors now in these Corvettes. These guys are going 9 seconds in a street car now. So they needed a bigger header to supply, to be able to meet the demands of the larger cubic inches. We also brought out our new G8 system, 1 3/4 header, also available in 1 7/8, all 304 stainless steel. What we did with the G8, the biggest restriction that we found in the car itself was from basically the X pipe underneath the car. So we have a full 3-inch X pipe that goes all the way to the axle backs. You can hook up your factory axle back to it, any aftermarket axle back, and of course what we decided to do is make it a one-stop shop. We designed our own axle back for the G8. So what you could buy from us is basically from the block all the way to the back bumper. It's an amazing sound, slightly aggressive, phenomenal sound. It's a big seller for us because the G8 is a great car. The product makes roughly, with a tune, roughly 40 horsepower to the back tire as an in-game, which is amazing for an exhaust modification.
I see you've got some new product for the ZR1 Corvette, is that right?
Yes, it is. What we did was we developed a header for the new ZR1 Corvette. It's a 600 horsepower motor right out of the factory. So it's an 1 7/8 primary to our stamp merge collector, 3-inch X pipe, catted or off-road again, which will go bolt directly to any aftermarket catback or even the factory catback, because GM now has the MPP exhaust, which is a bi-mode exhaust. So everything is a direct bolt-in application, all 304 stainless steel. So it's a wonderful, wonderful addition to the car. Another new addition to our line is for the 6.2 Escalade and Denali SUV. We came out with an 1 7/8 header, catted Y pipe, all 304 stainless, stamp merges. In addition to that, on the GT500 header, a lot of these guys now are making the bigger cubic inches for the GT500. So what we did was we developed an 1 7/8 header now for the GT500 that, there's a few sets out there now, rave reviews as far as increase in horsepower over an 1 3/4 primary.
With all the new applications and products you have, where do you put all this stuff?
Well, right now we're located in Bayshore, New York, but what we're really excited about is we just started breaking ground on our new facility, which is located in Statesville, North Carolina. We're building a 45,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. It's going to be a brand new facility for Kooks Custom Headers. It's going to be a huge, huge step in the future of the company. We're very excited about the whole situation.
To check out all these new applications for street cars and race cars, check out KooksHeaders.com.